Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting. I've been busy doing some spring cross stitches which I have posted on my new Instagram page if you'd like to have a look. There's a link in this video and also in my about section if you want to head on over to Instagram and have a look. As well as my crafting, I've spring cleaned in my craft room and that's all nice and fresh and ready to go, and now I'm doing the haul. Sorted. Cleaned and tidied, mopped the floors, everything's nice and clean. We've got the welcome mat there already, and it's all tidy, everything's been wiped and washed. So I'll just show you what we've got here in the haul. This is a lovely picture that we got from Range a couple of years ago. Everybody comments on how beautiful it is. It's a print, but it does look like oil on canvas. I think there is a little bit of paint on it as well, so it's really nice. We've got the two pots. I often love to have symmetry on those windows there, so we usually have the same pots. The pots are from IKEA and the plants are from IKEA as well. And then over here, our entryway table, we've got this lovely little mirror that we got from Home Bargains, I think it was, earlier in the year. Then we have the lamp, which was from HomeSense, and then this lovely plate with the bunnies on. I actually got it just after I did my Easter home decor video. That was from TK Maxx, really sweet. And we've got one of these little, we've got 3 of those baskets. They're from IKEA, super handy for popping things in. What I'm going to keep in there is remote controls and things like that, because down here I have my lantern, and if I pop the remote control, there we go, on come the lights. Isn't that lovely? Then next to it, covering up the router and the plugs, we've got a lovely basket I had from HomeSense, a throw, can't remember where that was from, and then some of our lovely silk flowers that we have in store. So I think that looks really nice. And then if we come back up on the table, as I say, I'll put my remote in there, so that keeps that handy. Got the lovely plate, got the lovely lamp, and then these lovely flowers here. I think the jug was from Waitrose. The flowers are our own flowers, and then you can see there's me in the camera and the heron picture in the middle. And then just popping up the stairs, just show you up the stairs, we've got some cute little prints, floral to go with the nice spring theme, and that's Edward, our Harrods bear, sitting in his chair at the top. And then we've got a Venetian mirror, and I've got some cross stitch, actually a Venetian cross stitch. I'll pop up and show you that. So there's my Venetian cross stitch. Venice is like eating an entire box of chocolate liqueurs in one go. Absolutely love Venice, been there quite a few times, and there's always something different to see. It's a beautiful city. And then here on the windowsill, have another lovely floral display, and then my latest cross stitch that I finished the other day, sort of celebrating spring and Easter. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed having a look at our entry hallway today, and if you fancy seeing any updates from me, head on over to my Instagram page, and I will try and post videos as I go. And as I said, I will do a garden tour when the weather gets a bit nicer. We're buying lots of things at the moment to get out there and get some plants, so hopefully I'll be getting on to that, or I might do somewhere else around the house, but I'll keep in touch and see you soon. Bye bye.